Before I start this video about the Stream Deck review, I wanted to tell you guys thank you so much for that support on the last video when I played Death Stranding. It was amazing and I didn't even know how in a million years I can get to that level, to that point. And so many of you commented and asked about a couple of things and it was amazing. I really had a really good time commenting and seeing all y'all enjoy my video. Also, I want to give a shout out to Crazy, Lil Dill, and Oddbird. You guys, either Patreon supporters or through stream loots, you guys helped me a lot in order for me to even get this device. This is the Elgato Stream Deck, and I am so excited to even try it on stream. I already have it enabled, I have it running and ready to go, so when the next time I stream, I use it up and make my life pretty much easier. In a sense, this does make this like anyone that gets this, for any even content creator or even just working in a daily life, this really helps minimize the steps into opening this, opening that, or switching to this, or muting your mic, or playing things in the background that you want to listen to, all sorts of stuff. And you can get creative with this, let me tell you. So this video is just a little bit of a, let's just say, ASMR video on how the Stream Deck, or what it looks like and how it feels and all that good stuff. You guys, really thank you for all the support, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video.